Per a mi és primordial fer una difusió perquè és important que la resta de la societat sàpiga que en escoles d'educació especial també fem activitats físiques, fem esport. És una forma de que el nostre món trenque un poc les barreres i un poc el tabú que n'hi ha, perquè la gent no sap exactament què es viu dins de les escoles d'educació especial.
Stop me now. Don't stop me, 'cause I'm having a good time, having a good time. I'm a shooting star leaping through the sky like a tiger, defying the laws of gravity. I'm a racing car passing by like Lady Godiva. I'm gonna go, go, go. There's no stopping me. I'm burning through the sky, yeah. 200 degrees, that's why they call me Mr. Fahrenheit. I'm traveling at the speed of light. I wanna make a supersonic man out of you. Don't stop me now. I'm having such a good time. I'm having a ball. Don't stop me now. If you wanna have a good time, just give me a call. Don't stop me now. 'Cause I'm having a good time. Don't stop me now. Yes, I'm having a good time. I don't wanna stop at all. Yeah. I'm a rocket ship on my way to Mars on a collision course. I am a satellite. I'm out of control. I'm a sex machine ready to reload. Like an atom bomb about to explode. I'm burning through the sky.
Pues sí, és molt important perquè la majoria també tenen una psicomotricitat fluixeta i l'esport i tot el que siga psicomotricitat i tot això ajuda molt.
Don't stop me, don't stop me, don't stop me. Hey, hey, hey! Don't stop me, don't stop me. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Don't stop me, don't stop me. Have a good time, good time. Don't stop me, don't stop me.
Bueno, en realidad no me gusta, pero lo hago para mi salud.
That's why they call me Mr. Fahrenheit. Traveling at the speed of light. I wanna make a supersonic man out of you. Don't stop me now. I'm having such a good time. I'm having a ball.